Hey guys, it's Jack from Dupli here, and today we've got a short little video for you on the brand new Kodak Snapic A1. More specifically, we're going to be talking about how to load the camera. So Kodak have made it really easy to load this camera. It features an automatic winding function, so if you've ever used some of the other reusable cameras, they can sometimes be a little bit fiddly to wind the film on. So the automatic winding makes it super easy, super convenient for anyone to load this camera, whether you've used film before, never used it before, you can't go wrong. So let's take a look at it. Okay, so to get started, you're going to take the camera. As with the other reusable cameras, there's a little latch on the side of the camera. So you're just going to flick that and the back door should come open like that. You're going to get your film. So we've got some Colour Plus to load into the camera. Let's get that out of the packaging and out of the canister. And so you're going to want to load it up into the spool side of the camera, which is on the right hand side, and make sure that the film is running parallel with the back of the camera. You don't want to load it in this way so it's curling under, then you're going to be shooting onto the wrong side of the film. So make sure that it's loaded in like that with it running parallel to the top of the camera. And then it's just a simple case of pulling the film across, and you want to do it so that the leader end of the film is just tucked in to the take-up spool here. You don't need to pull it far across, it just needs to be far enough that it's going to grab it when it automatically winds. So just tuck it in like that, then you can go ahead and close the camera and switch it on. And you'll see on the LCD screen at the top, it's got a little animation showing you to press the shutter button. You have to press that twice. So we'll go ahead, press it once, and then press it twice. And you'll know that it's been successful because it will come up with a little 0 on the LCD counter. So that shows you that you are on the first frame and you're ready to shoot. Like I say, super simple to load up. Anyone can do it. So with that in mind, you'll go ahead and you'll shoot your roll of film, 24, 36 exposures depending on the length of the film. And when you get to the end of the film, once it feels that tension at the end of the roll, the camera will automatically rewind the film. But if at any point you want to manually rewind it, just next to the display there's a little R and a little button for you to press. You just need something sharp and small like a pencil or a pen or like a pin to press that down. You just hold it down and you'll hear it start rewinding before it's got to the end of the roll. So you could use that to double expose the whole of the film if you think that you've misloaded it, or you've put a roll in and you decide you want to shoot a different film instead. You could do that. You could also make note of where you are on the film counter and partially shoot rolls of film. That's an option for you. So it's nice that you've got that feature to rewind it yourself. And once it's rewound, a nice function of this camera is that it won't rewind the film all the way back into the canister, so it will leave the leader out, which makes it a little bit easier for the labs to process it. They don't have to pick the end of the film out before they load it up into the machine. And that's pretty much it. There's not really much to it. Like I say, Kodak have made it super simple. They've designed this camera with ease of use in mind. The whole point of it is to make it accessible and easy for anyone to shoot film and enjoy shooting film. Keep an eye out for more videos on the Snapic. We're going to do a few more videos on unboxing the camera and also a short Q&A. We took the camera out and tested it ourselves, so gave us some good insights into what the camera's good for. Thank you very much for watching.